In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on System available here. Now tap on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and finally Gboard. Last but not least, select Corrections and Suggestions to use this switcher next to autocorrection and this way switch it off or turn it on. Quick tip: if you decided you do wanna enable it, click on it on the left and use this switcher next to undo autocorrect on Backspace to manage it. Personally, I recommend to at least try it because it's super helpful, and if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!